If your company is managing complex liquid waste, aiming for water reuse, or looking to recover valuable resources, it's possible that a wastewater evaporation system is on your radar.
Condorchem Enviro Solutions.
How do you know which system and which supplier is right for you? In this video, we'll guide you through the key factors to consider and reveal some critical red flags to avoid. Define your objectives before evaluating any system. Define what success looks like for your project. Are you trying to reduce wastewater disposal costs, reuse purified water within your process, concentrate hazardous waste for safer handling, or recover valuable byproducts like salts, acids, or metals? In many cases, the goal may be a combination of all of these options. Number 2, understand your wastewater characteristics. Remember that no two wastewater streams are the same. Key factors like flow rate, chemical composition, pH, temperature, dissolved solids, COD, presence of surfactants, scaling potential, and corrosiveness will directly impact the system design. Reliable suppliers will offer laboratory testing and pilot trials to characterize your effluents and simulate real treatment performance. Skipping this step is a risk that you shouldn't take. Number 3, what to look for in a manufacturer. The evaporator is only as good as the team behind it. When selecting a supplier, look for industry experience. Do they know your sector's specific wastewater challenges? Number 2, regulatory compliance. Are their systems designed to meet current and future environmental laws? Number 3, understanding CapEx and OpEx. Operational costs, especially those related to energy consumption, are as important as the cost of acquisition. Number 4, the engineering capabilities. Do they offer custom designs based on your unique needs? Number 5, their units ensure ease of operation and maintenance, including seamless integration with your existing treatment lines. Number 6, after-sales support. Can they provide spare parts, service, and technical help when you need it? The right manufacturer is more than just a vendor. Consider us a long-term partner in compliance and sustainability. Too many companies fall into traps when choosing a wastewater evaporator. Avoid costly setbacks by recognizing these red flags early. Prioritizing cost over quality can lead to breakdowns, high operation costs, and non-compliance. Where there's no pilot testing offered, this can be a sign of low customization. Look out for generic or vague performance claims. Always ask for technical validation and energy consumption data. Look out for no after-sales service, as a post-installation support is critical for long-term success, as well as limited material options. Selecting the right material ensures durability in all operating conditions, including highly aggressive or corrosive environment. Ignoring concentrate or sludge management. Remember, treating the water is only part of the job. The residue must also be managed responsibly. At Condorchem, we specialize in custom design evaporation and crystallization systems for the most demanding industrial effluent. We support our clients throughout every phase of the project, from the initial lab test analysis and pilot testing to custom system design, manufacturing, on-site installation, and commissioning, as well as ongoing maintenance and upgrades. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more content or innovative wastewater treatment solutions.